Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting devices aligned. Make sure your Samsung TV and the device running Google Meet share the same Wi-Fi. Once done, enable Smart View or screen mirroring on your phone or open Chrome on your laptop and prepare to cast. You should also open Google Meet and join the meeting. This reduces delays when you mirror. Do this now because casting a live meeting preserves audio sync and lets you use your device camera or phone as microphone, while the TV shows video and participants. You'll now send the meeting to the TV. On Android, use Smart View. On Chrome, click Cast and choose your Samsung TV, or connect via an HDMI adapter from a laptop if mirroring fails. After selecting the TV, confirm any prompt that appears on the television so the session begins. Once connected, mute your phone's speaker to avoid echo and set the TV volume. If video looks cropped, change display or zoom settings on the casting device to fit the 16:9 screen properly. To finish, use your phone or laptop camera and microphone positioned close to you. The TV acts solely as the big screen. When the meeting ends, stop casting or disconnect the HDMI adapter. If you notice audio dropouts, freeze frames, or echo, first pause and rejoin the meet on your device, then reconnect casting. This often resets streams. If issues continue, reboot your Samsung TV and router, then rejoin. That simple restart usually clears network hiccups and restores stable video and audio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.